How to find Facebook user location. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and further search for the profile whose location you want to see. Now go to their Facebook profile and then tap on the About section, and if they have shared their location details like current city, hometown, or workplace, then you will be able to see it there. And just in case if they have not added their location, then you can tap on the Post tab and look for posts with location tags. Or you can also tap on the location to see the exact map or tagged place. People often post photos or updates with automatic location tagging enabled. You can also open the Photos section and check albums like Places or Photo Map if available. And if they have enabled GPS data, Facebook may show location metadata. And if you are already chatting with the person on Messenger, then you can also ask them to share their live location. So this is how you can see users' location on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.